Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oka from Mauritians here, and in this video tutorial today, we are going to be talking about how you can learn and make money on Binance. Yes, I know you might be surprised. Who the hell pays someone for actually learning something that will benefit you, not them, right? Yes, Binance is paying people to learn about cryptocurrency on their platform. So all you have to do is stay true to the end of this video. Let me show you the step-by-step guide, everything you need to know to actually get started and start making money with the Binance Learn and in, right? Yeah. So if you have visited my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button. I talk more about cryptocurrency on this channel. Also, I talk about NFTs, play to earn games, and a whole lot of other things. Even how you can get jobs in the Web3 cryptocurrency industry and make money working from home. So let's jump in right into what we have today. So this is my Binance app. This is my Binance website. So all I have to do right now is to click on this mini bar and go to the Binance Learn and in. Sorry. Come to the Binance Learn and in. What's happening? Okay, so this is it. Earn free crypto through learning, build your blockchain knowledge, complete quizzes, and earn free crypto. Yeah, so that is it. The next thing you have to do is to click on activity rules. Yes, we need to know the activities, the things you need to do in order to actually learn and earn on the Binance platform, their terms and conditions. So this is it. How to get started with Binance Learn and Earn terms and conditions. So what is Binance Learn and Earn? This is Binance and input into the blockchain industry to help people learn more about the blockchain. And Binance is excited to announce its new education initiative, Binance Learn and Earn. Users can learn blockchain knowledge and complete quizzes for a chance to earn free crypto. They are not saying you are entitled once you finish. No, they said for a chance to earn free crypto. So how do you participate in this program? The way you can participate in this program is to do what? Have a Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, I'm going to put a link to register on the Binance Exchange platform on the description of this video. Register an account with them. Then verify your account. Yes, it must be a verified user. You can see it here. Verify your account with Binance. Then click on the menu bar and go to the learn and earn section and start learning about crypto, blockchain, and a whole lot of other things. So who is eligible? As long as you have a Binance account and it is verified, then you are good to go. So how long will it take you to receive your reward after this quiz? Just 48 hours. 48 hours. As long as you've completed the whole videos and all of that, you are entitled. But then it's going to take 48 hours for you to know whether you are eligible or not. So that is all you need actually to get started with the Binance Learn and Earn initiative. So let's get back to it. So this is it. You can see the first one they have here is welcome to crypto. You can see all rewards redeemed, stay tuned. All rewards redeemed, stay tuned. You have to just keep checking. So that is it. Let's take for instance that you want to get started with the welcome to crypto, which has to do with just the introduction to cryptocurrency. You can click on here, start course. Let's take for instance also that maybe you want to go to beginners guide to Binance trading. You can go ahead and start here. So this is it. Welcome to crypto. This guide introduces you to a few critical concepts you need to kickstart your crypto journey on Binance. So this is it. You go ahead. Decentralization, decentralization, secure your Binance, how to register your account with Binance. You see, it's not really get a sense of how crypto wallet works, just watch the videos. You can see, watch the videos, is interesting. All the training courses, they are interesting because they actually put a whole lot of time in editing their videos to make sure that the learning experience is something that people would want to actually learn to earn from, right? So that is it. The same way we have play to earn and all of that, Binance have introduced their learn to earn section. So all you have to do is to create an account with Binance, learn with Binance, and earn with Binance. So that is it. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you would want me to talk about on this channel, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to talk about that in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.